Out of the blue, I was asked if I wanted to try this AC fan unit from MaxCare, the exact kind I wanted to try. So I said yes. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Do you believe in law of attraction? Well, it recently happened for me. The other day, I saw an ad for this mini AC unit for a dorm room on Facebook. I did some research and I've been very curious about it. Then, out of the blue, I was asked if I wanted to try this AC fan unit from MaxCare, the exact kind I wanted to try. So I said yes. Let's open this up. It comes with the Type-C USB cable with a manual and the unit. It kind of looks spacey or a robot head with two knobs on the sides. Since it's rechargeable, I'm going to plug into my USB battery. Red means it's charging. Let's turn it on as is. Yeah, it's a fan. It just blows out the regular temperature air. Now, what's unique about this product is you can make it cooler. I looked at the manual too, but as it says on Amazon's page, I'm going to soak this water absorption curtain and freeze it for 1 hour. Now it's frozen. You can see some ice pieces. I'm going to put it back in the unit. Let's turn it on. Yep, it's definitely cooler than before. Another feature is this reservoir on top, where you can pour water to make it misty so you can use it as a humidifier. The capacity is 200 milliliters. Here's exactly 200 milliliters. I'm going to pour it. Hopefully it doesn't spill. Yep, perfect. And let's turn it on. You can turn on and off the mist feature by pressing the little button on the knob. White light means the fan's working. Green light means both fan and mist features are on. And the sound is different. This is fan only. And this is with the mist option. There's a hissing noise. There are tiny bubbles coming up in the reservoir as it uses the water. I don't see the mist coming out of the fan, so I thought it was broken at first, but it does feel cooler. I contacted the manufacturer and they confirmed sometimes you see the mist and sometimes you don't. Here, I was able to capture the mist action. When I was researching this type of fan, I saw a review of another product which said it makes the area in front of the fan very wet. I was afraid of that, but the mist feature of this fan is so fine, I don't think you have to worry about that. Let's add ice cubes to make the water cooler. Yep, the air is cooler if the water is cooler. You can also add some essential oils. I'm adding bergamot, lavender, and jasmine here. Let's turn it on. Okay, at full blast you can't smell much because it blows off the aroma. I would turn down the fan a bit or move away from the fan to smell the nice aroma. On hot summer days, I would put a little peppermint oil to make it cooler. If you don't have enough water in the reservoir, it has a mechanism to shut off the mist feature and switches to fan only mode. The really nice thing about this product is it's portable, so you can take it anywhere. There is no seal on top, so if you have water in the reservoir, I would dump the water first before transporting because it will leak if you tilt it, and you do not want to leak onto the switch or the USB port. When you dump it, do it away from the switch. With this unit fully charged, I'm going to let it run full blast with the mist on and time how long it will last. And it lasted about 1 hour 53 minutes and 37 seconds. But if it's attached to the power source, it will last as long as the power source lasts. From completely empty state, it took about 3 hours to fully charge the unit from this battery. It also took about 2.5 hours to charge from the wall. This is not meant to replace the AC of the entire house or a big room, but if you have small personal space, this may be more economical. It's most effective if you have ice-cold water curtain or ice-cold water in the reservoir. You could put this next to your bed if you're not sensitive to noise issues. I can sleep anywhere, so this was more like white noise to me. When I slept with this on next to me, I had to adjust the fan direction because I was getting too cold by getting a direct wind. Because it's portable, I think it's good for your car or camping when you want to have coolness without turning on the engine. And by camping, I mean inside of the small tent. It's USB rechargeable, so it may be a good backup fan for emergency during hot summer days. I'll include the Amazon link below. Thank you MaxCare for the opportunity to try this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. And click on the bell so you'll be notified when my video is up and out. Universe, I would love to try full body massage chair.